Welcome back. An historic ruling by the U.S. Supreme Court Monday upheld one of the most controversial parts of Arizona's immigration law, and it has major implications for the Peach State as well. Joining me now to talk about this issue is our legal expert, attorney Jay Davis. Jay, as always, thanks so much for coming on. We appreciate it.
Here.
Now, this is Arizona's immigration law, but it has implications for Georgia. Tell me how that works.
Well, a lot of states across the United States are putting into effect something to control immigration. Immigration by Constitution is a jurisdiction of Congress. Congress has put in the administration in order to enact these laws as the enforcer of these laws. And when they're not doing it, the states have to act. So the states have started acting, but they're not really authorized to do so.
Now, the ruling Monday kind of gave states a little bit more power, I believe. What if I'm an undocumented immigrant and I'm stopped for, say, a traffic violation or some other offense? What happens to me after that?
Well, it depends on which state you're in, and that's part of the problem, is that people should expect the same treatment no matter which state they're in. Arizona law had several parts that weren't appropriate, and that is trying to enforce through state crimes immigration acts. And they're not allowed to do that, and the Supreme Court, I believe, correctly struck those parts down.
Now, the law says police, if they have a reasonable cause for questioning your immigration status,
that's the part that's true
they can
to
arrest you.
Both
right?
Arizona, the part that was upheld in Arizona, and the part that's probably the predominant part in Georgia that people are now concerned about, although it's still upheld in Arizona and probably so in Georgia, at least for the moment. It's the implication that's going to be a problem. They have the right, if a police officer has the right, if they detain someone for some other reason,